Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the basics. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and has free space. Once done, install a 360-capable app like YouTube or VLC that gets you playback and gyro support. Grant motion and orientation permissions so the app can use the gyroscope. Without it, the view won't follow your phone. Then find a 360 file to stream or download. Do this now, because we'll move straight into playback and calibration next. You open the app and load the 360 video. You search terms or the Downloads tab to find it fast. Tap play, then use two methods to look around. Physically turn your phone so the gyroscope tracks your view, or drag with one finger to pan manually. Calibrate the sensors if the horizon drifts. Perform a slow figure-8 motion with the phone until the image stabilizes. Make sure to close other heavy apps to reduce stutter while the video plays. You finish by optimizing playback and solving common problems. Set quality to 1080p or 720p depending on performance. Lower quality reduces buffering. For immersion, insert the phone into a cardboard-style viewer or wear headphones to improve audio positional cues. If the video looks flat or the gyro won't respond, toggle motion and orientation off and on, quit the app and reopen, and check for app or iOS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.